Today I'm going to show you how to create your own binder and also coil mordant to prepare your own watercolors. Pigments do not adhere themselves to a canvas or a piece of paper. They need something to put all those little particles together. So let's get started. To create your own watercolor binder, you will need a few simple ingredients and tools. Here is a basic recipe. 2 tablespoons of gum arabic powder, 2 tablespoons distilled water, 1 tablespoon honey, 1 tablespoon glycerin, 6 drops of ox gall, 2 drops of clove oil, measuring spoons, a spoon for stirring, and a jar for storage. First, we start dissolving the 2 tablespoons of gum arabic in distilled water. After the gum arabic has been dissolved, add 1 tablespoon of honey and 1 tablespoon of glycerin. This will help the binder to be flexible and in the future prevent crackings. Once we have mixed everything thoroughly, we should add 6 drops of ox gall, the ox gall will improve the flow and spread of the paint on the paper. And last but not least, we will add a preservative to prevent mold growth. We use clove oil on a small amount, just about 2 or 3 drops. And that's it. You just mix it thoroughly and store it in an airtight container. It can be stored for several months, but shake it well before it's used. And that's it. I hope this has been helpful and hope to see you next time.